Welcome to my review of Abila MIP Fund Accounting, a comprehensive software solution designed specifically for nonprofit organizations to handle complex financial and accounting tasks. This platform is tailored for nonprofit professionals who need precise control over their organization's financial data while ensuring compliance and streamlined reporting. Starting from the homepage, you'll notice a clean, professional interface. The dashboard is user-friendly and customizable, allowing users to focus on the most critical metrics. Navigation is intuitive, with clearly labeled menus and sections like General Ledger, Accounts Payable, and Reporting. One of the standout features of Abila MIP Fund Accounting is its powerful reporting tools. The platform enables nonprofits to create customized reports that meet specific donor or grantor requirements. These reports can be saved as templates for future use, which is a significant time saver. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore tools and insights that could further enhance your financial management capabilities. Abila MIP also offers multidimensional charts of accounts, which allow users to track financial information across multiple funding sources, locations, and programs. This flexibility is particularly valuable for organizations with diverse funding streams and projects. Another impressive aspect is the budgeting functionality. Users can create multiple budget scenarios and perform what-if analyses, which helps in strategic decision-making. Additionally, the system supports role-based access controls to ensure sensitive data is protected, providing peace of mind for administrators. Customer support for Abila MIP is robust, with options for live chat, phone support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. The community forums are also a great resource for users to share insights and solutions. One area that might present a learning curve for new users is the initial setup. Because the software is highly customizable, setting it up to suit your organization's needs may take some time and planning. However, Abila MIP offers onboarding support and training modules to help users get started. Overall, Abila MIP Fund Accounting is a top-tier solution for nonprofits seeking specialized accounting software. Its depth of features, customization options, and nonprofit-focused tools make it a valuable investment for organizations aiming to enhance their financial management processes. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and in-depth tutorials. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thanks for watching.